It's time to tank this wet room. I've bought over 5 meters of waterproofing joint tape, which needs to be applied on the plasterboard joints. Cost me around £15. For tanking, I've bought the Mapei Aqua Defense liquid membrane. Cost around £40 for the 7.5 kg bucket. No mixing is required, just apply on the boards straight from the bucket. You can check online if anyone has got some left over that are selling it cheap. Now I've applied masking tape where necessary, as if you get this liquid membrane in the wrong area and you left it to dry, trust me guys, it's really hard to remove. I'm going to cover all corners and joints. Firstly, apply the liquid membrane with a brush or roller. Apply the waterproof tape and then apply the membrane over it again to seal it up. Make sure to wear gloves before carrying out this task. This is my first time tanking, so if I can do this, I'm sure you can too. Now, doing a bit of research, tanking has now become mandatory since the latest codes of practice released in July 2018 by the British Standards Institute for floor and wall tiling. You don't need to tank the full bathroom, just the showering areas. For example, around a bathtub with a shower over it, or within a shower enclosure area. As this is a small wet room, there will be a lot of moisture. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and tank all the walls, including the floor. If you're installing tile backer element boards which have insulation and waterproofing properties, then tanking is not needed. You just need to seal up the joints. Now I've tanked up all the joints and around the pipes. Now you might hear some builders saying, oh, it's not necessary. But carrying out my own research and my personal opinion, it's best if you do, as it creates a barrier to protect the plasterboard from any moisture, water ingress and any damage that might be building up in the near future. You can see once this thick liquid gets dried up, it's really hard to take off. So protect your hands and your clothes. Looks exactly like glue tack. So just to show you guys, I've got a 2-in-1 polystyrene plasterboard. On top will be a thick layer of membrane. Now to apply the liquid membrane on the walls, I'm going to use a medium pile roller as recommended. Now they do state that the membrane thickness layer should be 2 to 3 millimeters. So you need to double coat or more to achieve that thickness. So that's why it's recommended to use a thicker brush or roller. This is the first coat, left it to dry overnight. I've applied the second coat after, but ran out of the liquid membrane. That wall is complete, just the rest I need to apply another coat and then moving on to the floor. Applying the first coat. Left it to dry for a few hours. Then on to the next. Job done, all ready to be tiled up. Take care guys, peace.